please don't be mad. I know that it makes you sad when I simply don't obey. I tried my best, I'd like to say, Jesus, please hold on, when I simply don't have a song, and my heart can't give you praise. It doesn't care to even sing your name. But I still believe that you're bigger than all these things. When I can't find what to say, somehow you know that you love me the same. Jesus, are you even real? Sometimes I pray, but I still can't feel the peace that you claim you would give when we had a hard day. No, I really shouldn't ask, but do you record all my bads? Will they put me in hell? Or is that a myth that the preachers sell? I still believe that you're bigger than my unbelief. When I don't know what to say, somehow you know that you love me the same. Somehow you know that you love me the same. Somehow you know that you love me. Jesus, I'll keep trusting you, not always because I want to, but there's nowhere else to go. Your words feel different, this much I know, and I'll try my very best. At times it feels like life is just a test, like we were destined just to fail. Did you feel bad? Is that why you tore the veil? But I still believe you're bigger than all these things. When I don't know what to say, somehow you know that you love me the same. Somehow you know that you love me the same. Somehow you know that you love me the same. think that we're crazy. They just haven't seen love this plainly. When they ask what on earth is going on, just tune your record in and play this song. 'Cause to me our love is like an old-fashioned finest whiskey poured out in our glasses. You are something sweet, sip you slow then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be, but old-fashioned love's got a hold of me. Baby, I don't care, I don't think I'd even mind between holding your hand, what I'm feeling in the bottles of wine. You just might be something that could stick. Well, at least I put my money down on it. 'Cause to me our love is like an old-fashioned finest whiskey poured out in our glasses. You are something sweet, sip you slow then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be, but old-fashioned love's got a hold of me. Old-fashioned love's got a hold of me. Yeah, old-fashioned love. We've had pain and lovers go. We've been around enough to know that what this world really means is something like you and me. Bitter with a touch of sweet, cold but it goes down with ease. Old-fashioned love is what this world really needs. Old-fashioned love. Love, yeah. 'Cause to me our love is like an old-fashioned finest whiskey poured out in our glasses. You are something sweet, sip you slow then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be, but old-fashioned love's got a